I was charged for things I shouldn't have been charged for.
An Indianapolis homeowner has filed a class action lawsuit accusing her condo association of wrongly charging residents. Nicole Ashburn says she could now lose her home over attorney's fees she says she doesn't owe. Call 6 Investigates' Kara Kenny has been looking into homeowners associations for the past year and joins us now with why this could happen to any homeowner. Kara.
Heron Lake is located here at 52nd and Allisonville Road. They're now the focus of a class action lawsuit that says they wrongly charged homeowners attorney's fees that they didn't owe. Nicole Ashburn has owned a condo here at Heron Lake since 2017. Her daughters live in that condo. Nicole says in 2018 she got a letter saying she owed back dues and $125 in attorney's fees.
When I received the notice, that's when I realized that I was paying the wrong amount. So it was never an intent not to pay.
Nicole says she reached out to the Heron Lake Condominium Owners Association and their attorneys and even met with them to resolve the debt.
So at that point, I really thought that everything was settled.
She was shocked when the association filed a lawsuit against her in September 2019. They put a lien on her condo and are trying to foreclose on it.
Well, I was upset. I was, I didn't know what to do.
She hired attorney Pete Kovacs, and they discovered Ashburn had been charged $1,400 in attorney's fees.
They were charging her attorney's fees for simply trying to work it out.
Legal charges they say were racked up before the condo association filed suit against her.
They added these attorney's fees to the balance that she owed. So it had a snowball effect. The harder she worked to work things out, the more she owed.
Ashburn filed a class action lawsuit on January 28th against Heron Lake, accusing them of breach of contract, fraud, and deception. The lawsuit seeks refunds for homeowners who wrongly paid legal fees, and Ashburn's asking a court to stop Heron Lake from the practice. Nicole Ashburn hopes to keep her condo and notify others who could be in the same boat.
I'm sure it's had to have happened to other people. If it happened to me and I'm trying to make do the right thing to settle it, it can happen to anyone.
An attorney for Heron Lake declined to comment on the lawsuit specifically, but told us in general a homeowner will receive at least 4 letters before legal action is taken. I'm Call 6 Investigates' Kara Kenny.
Kovacs says the condo association's bylaws do not allow owners to be charged legal fees prior to a lawsuit being filed. Here's how you can protect yourself. Read the bylaws and covenants before you buy a home. Read them before you make any improvement to your home. Have an open dialogue with your board. Talk to them. Go to board meetings. They should be open to the public with a few exceptions like discussions about delinquent dues. And lastly, if you get a violation letter, do not ignore it. Experts say that is the biggest mistake you can